Look at that. Already getting hot outside. I like it. Already getting hot outside. So today we're gonna make one of the best treats we can make for that hot weather. I got graham crackers, I got marshmallow fluff, I got some chocolate pudding. We're gonna make frozen s'mores. I got the Snickers pie pudding filling. 2 cups. It was like 90-some degrees yesterday. Absolutely miserable. I shouldn't complain because, like, as I get older, I'm finding myself in the winter time aggravated with the cold too. And I just think Florida is like the greatest place in the world to live because it seems this smells amazing. By the way, it's always warm, but I feel like in the summertime it's gonna get way too warm. I'm just like, ugh, not really about that life. So if you're gonna add in another pack, all I'm gonna do is add in 1 more cup of whole milk. Good. Now, we have our parchment paper in there, okay? Then I'm just gonna scoop this into my baking dish. And then we just want to kind of fill the pan, okay? Next up, we're going to use whipping cream and marshmallow fluff. Whipped cream. A little bit of whipped cream. One cup of whipped cream. 2 cups of whipped cream. Marshmallow fluff. I'm going to add in a bit of whipped cream cheese spread. I'm just mixing the 2. And then we're just going to slide that right in on top. And then we just smooth it out. Get it all over the corners, down. That we're going to put this in our freezer for about 4 hours. All right, let's check on our s'mores. They've been in the oven for a little while. That's what we got. We put it on parchment paper so we can pull it out like that. Like so. I'm just gonna fold it out. Look at that.
Did I try that before? I want to try.
Alright, y'all, like and subscribe if you guys thought this was a fantastic idea for the summer to keep everybody nice and cool. It's s'mores, frozen, so you don't gotta go outside. Check it out, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment below if you try this, liked it, any other ideas you think. I got marshmallow on my beard. Y'all take care. You know I love you.